हाँ जी, पर्सन्स विद डिसेबिलिटी, इसी सुगम्य भारत अभियान फोकस, पीवाईक्यू सुगम्य भारत अभियान, क्विज अगेन जून जुलाई क्विज, सुगम्य भारत अभियान, सुगम्य भारत ऐप, सुगम्य भारत अभियान, रिपीट। चलो पहले सेकंड स्टेटमेंट लेते हैं। सुगम्य भारत focuses on achieving universal accessibility for person with disability across 3 domains: infrastructure, transport, information, communication technology. You see inside science quiz. Again, go and watch this video, then only you will understand how to use this. क्या लिखा हुआ है? सुगम्य भारत. It is not for job, okay? It is for accessibility for person with disability, okay? And elderly. Focus here. Disability and elderly both. It function as accessibility issues related to infrastructure, transportation, information, telecommunication services. Same lines, same lines. Rather than reading PIB 1000 times, rather than reading your PT 365, do questions. Do these questions, revise these questions 5 times. I've told you in that video. You watch it, you will know. You will be able to recall this better. ठीक है? With questions, क्योंकि वहां question ही solve करने हैं. So at home also go and solve questions. Then only you will be able to replicate that in exam. So सुगम्य भारत अभियान focuses on achieving universal health, ठीक है, disability, infrastructure है, transportation system, ITC. Correct. This statement is correct. Second, National Divyang Finance Development Corporation, okay, is a public sector organization. Okay, one has to see public sector, PSU, set up by ministry. Again, ministry are usually wrong, but these things, disability related concerns are looked after by Ministry of Social Justice. Again, if you have read newspaper for a longer time, you would know that these things are done by this ministry. So this is wrong. Though this is in the PYQ also, Social Justice Empowerment Ministry, Sugamya Bharat. Here also you would see Ministry of Social. You see how they are getting repeated. So this is wrong. 3 is wrong. हटाओ इसको 2 is correct. So between A and B. Now one has to see 1. क्या है? Right to Person with Disability Act passed in year. Year are usually wrong. Question mark. Mandate reservation of education and employment. Person with Disability Act. They're not talking about Sugamya Bharat. Sugam Abhiyan is for accessibility. Sugam, easy access. And this is for person with disability. Usually 4% reservation is given in jobs for disabled people. ठीक है. अब ठीक है, employment है, education है, government duty, non-duty. ठीक है. क्या ये 2018 है या नहीं? This one has to see. So usually when you are confused that this is 2018, 2017, 16, 20, what it is, usually these are wrongs. Usually. ठीक है. In exam it is very difficult to recall these things. So what we'll do? We will rely on elimination technique. When we are stuck between A and B, usually answers are B because A has year and year is usually wrong. Ministry usually wrong. So I would go for B. ठीक है. Same this technique I use everywhere. Whichever video you see, I will use same these things. Elimination technique will not change. ठीक है, तो answer would be B. More than 50% of the time you would be right. Next, again such questions have to solve. Again current affair video देखोगे, you will get it how to approach this question. Next क्या है?